We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC L9570 printer. And we're going to show you how to replace your drum unit and also how to reset your drum count. So that way we can get rid of that error message and get you all taken care of. It's a very simple process. The first thing you need to do is we need to lower this front cover here. So if you go to the right side, you're going to see this button right on top. Push down on that button and lower this front cover all the way down until you feel it get into its clicked open to its locked open position. So once that's open, we're going to grab this number one handle here and we're going to pull this all the way out. Once you have this tray pulled all the way out, what we need to do is go over here on the left side. You're going to see this little tab labeled number 2. You're going to push that over to the left, and then now what we're going to do is we're going to grab the number 1 handle, and back here there's a handle labeled number 3. You're going to want to hold both of those. You're going to lift up on the number 1 handle until it easily comes right out of the printer. So we've now successfully removed our drum and all of our toners in this case out of the printer. Now that I have the drum removed, I'm also going to take all my toners out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start at the top with the black cartridge, grab the handle for the toner, push up to release the toner from the drum, lift straight up, and we're going to set our toners on a clean, dry, flat surface. Okay, we're going to repeat that process for all of our toners. Okay, so now we have all of our toners removed from our old drum. We now successfully have taken our old drum out of the printer. So once you have your new drum unpacked and ready to go, make sure you've removed all the packaging material from it. And now to install it back into the printer, we're going to go and basically do the exact opposite of what we did to get it out. You're going to want to hold the number 3 and number 1 handle. You're going to want to start up at an angle. You're going to want to set this right back into the tray. Feel it kind of click in, but you won't be able to push it back. In order to push the tray all the way back in, you're going to want to go back to this number 2 tab on the left side, and you're going to want to push it so it's back in its vertical position. And you'll notice now you'll be able to slide the tray in and out of the printer. So now we've successfully installed our drum. Now that the drum's installed, we're going to go ahead and install our toner back into the drum. So I'm just going to start with the black, and make sure you set them in, and then you're going to pull back on the handle to lock the toner into the drum. So push it in, grab the handle, and pull back on that toner until you feel it click and lock into the drum unit. Make sure you get all 4 of your toners put in. So now that they've all been installed, we can slide our new drum all the way back inside the printer until you feel it click into its locked position. Close this front cover until it goes into its click lock position. The printer is going to take just a second to initialize and prepare that drum for use. And we've now successfully replaced our drum unit. But now what we need to do is go in and we need to tell the printer that we replaced the drum unit to get rid of that error message. So what we need to do is on your control panel, on the bottom left side, you're going to see an option that's going to have a wrench and a screwdriver next to it, and it's going to say All Settings. We're going to click that option. We're going to use on-screen arrows to scroll down, and we're going to find the tab that says Machine Info. Click on Machine Info. Again, you're going to want to use those arrows. Scroll down until you find the option that says Parts Life. Go ahead and click on that Parts Life. And the very first option is going to say Drum. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click and hold down on that drum option, usually for about 5 seconds or so. And you'll see the screen change to its reset menu, and it's going to ask you, do you want to reset the drum? So since you've just replaced the drum, go ahead and click Yes. And then you're good to go. You've now successfully replaced your drum unit, and you've told the printer that you've replaced the drum unit, so it's reset the drum counter, so that error message will go away and not come back until the next time it's ready to replace that drum again. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'll love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'll love to help supply this for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.